Need to get S9. Let's go down further. I'm an S4. I should have gone down a little further, but oh well. Anyways, we're at Big Lots here in Durant, Oklahoma, and we are gonna drop off our, oh, you know what, this is really weird. Was this S9 right here? I think it was. Hang on a minute. I might have to go around. It said S9, but back there it wasn't S9. What's this one say? Man, it got me all discombobulated. Let me go around again, so I'm just don't see him right here. It's S7. S9 is up one. That got me a little confused there. Got me all discombobulated. I saw S9 when I was at the guard gate, but then it didn't look like S9 was right here. Let me go back here a little bit. S9, okay. That got me all confused because it said S4 right here. Oh well. Let's go to S9 and spot 5 it says. So there's spot 5. Wait for me, buddy. Alright, spot 5. If I can get this here. A little tight again, but we'll make it. Straighten her out a little bit here. All right, so we got her in spot 5. And then we're going to disconnect here real quick. Then we got to go up to the shipping office, pick up our load. This is an empty I'm dropping off. Man, is it warm out here today. disconnect the airlines. Then we're going to bobtail over to the shipping office. Pick up our loaded trailer. Alright, she's disconnected. And there's the orange door. So guys, I'll be right back. Just going to check in and get my load that's going out. And I'll be right back, okay? Talk to you soon. Alright, so we're looking for trailer number 82101, and they told me that could be in any of the first 2 rows here.
Jet light duty status has changed to drive.
So let's see. That's one down here, I think. That's not it there. I don't see it in this row. Hope it's in the next row. So 82101 we're looking for. There it is, 82101. Okay. Now in the last video we talked about tandems and scaling and so forth, but this one here I think is going to be light enough we don't have to scale. So pretty much when you have a trailer that has 20 to 25,000 pounds or less, you're pretty much going to be okay anywhere you put it. Pretty much. I gotta lower it a little bit. Alright, come on, trailer. Okay, we're good now. Alright. Back her up and listen for the click. There we go. Always do a tug test. Jeez. to red. Check our lights. Make sure they're all good. Problem with these pigtails lately. I had to bend them to get the lights in the back to work. Alright, they're working here, okay. Check our tires, mud flaps. Last one I had 6 hours to get a mud flap installed because the bracket was all bent. That was your day. Everything's secured up there. Got both mud flaps. Tires are good. Taillights are set for travel. Alright folks, well, just going to do the paperwork now. And then we'll be on our way through the guard gate. So again, I appreciate you watching the video, and please click the subscribe button and click that bell for future videos. If you have any comments, please put them in the comments section, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So hope everybody has a good day, and take care for now, folks.